number 5 to start with. This might have caught some people because you haven't worked with mixed fractions in a while. That's why I always say Ms. Tanton loves improper fractions, because mixed fractions, they're difficult to work with, and they're actually difficult to enter into the calculator if you're not doing things by hand, like you learned earlier in middle school. So, the LA on number 5, we know it is P times H. Now, in this example, in all of these, 4 through 9, our shape is a rectangular prism. So, the P is the perimeter of the base. The base is a rectangle. So if I know the length and I know the width, then I can find the perimeter. So I know the perimeter is 2 times 2 plus 2.5 times 2. I'm using this times 2 plus this times 2. So I know the perimeter is 9. The height is 5 2/3. The only way to enter that in your calculator is to do 5 plus 2/3. That's how you enter a mixed fraction into your calculator. I'm going to turn it into an improper fraction if you remember how to do this. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So, it is perimeter times height, 9 times 17/3. And you will find that the 3 is going to cancel and there's no fraction anymore. So the LA is 51. Now, once you have LA, how do you go to SA? Well, you do LA plus 2B. So now we need to find the area of the base. The base is still a rectangle because this is a rectangular prism. It's hard to see because it's see-through. Anyway, so how do you find the area of a rectangle? It's length times width. 2 times 2.5. That is 5. So it's 51. 51 plus 2 times 5. So 61 for our surface area there. And then you can do the volume. It's base times height. I'm going to keep going. Okay? Number 7. Number 7 could have been difficult because there's some radicals there. I'm surprised y'all didn't ask me about number 6. But okay, number 7. LA. We're doing number 7. The LA is P times H. So what's the perimeter of the base? It's 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2. They're all root 2s, so they are like terms. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. 18. Okay, so it's 18 root 2. That's the perimeter. I just added up the sides. The height of this, the height of the prism is 3 root 2. So now it's just a matter of, do we remember how to multiply radicals or not? So we're going to multiply the numbers on the outside first. 18 times 3. 54. Square root 2 times square root 2. The square roots cancel. It's the square root of 4, which is just 2. So that's why that one is 108. Alrighty. And then, you want me to keep going on number 7 to find all the parts? I'll keep going. Number 7, so we have the surface area is going to be what we already found, plus 2, oops, that's a 3, plus 2b. So let's find the area of the base on number 7. It's still a rectangle. It's still a rectangle. So it's length times width. So it is 5 root 2 times 4 root 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Square root 2 times square root 2 is 2. So B is 40. So it is 108 plus 2 times 40. So that's how we get 188 there. I'm also going to let you do the volume by yourself because that's always the easiest one. Last one, number 8. I like that you chose number 8 because this one you have to work backwards a little bit. So let's see what we're given. Number 8, we are given the surface area. We are given the surface area. So 44.2 equals, and I'm just going to write the formula for surface area. When I'm working backwards, I always start by writing the formula with all the variables. Now we're going to plug in what we know. On number 8, do we know P? We totally know P, because if we have the sides of a rectangle, then we know the perimeter. So let's find P. 2 times 2.5 plus 2 times 3.8. 2L plus 2W. 12.6. So far, this equals 12.6 times, do we know the height? No, that's what we're looking for. Don't know it. Plus 2 times, do we know capital B? Well, if we know the size of a rectangle, then we know the area of the rectangle. 2.5 times 3.8. Now we're back to algebra. We need to isolate H. We need to solve for H. So we're going to do 44.2 minus 2 times 9.5. So I'm moving this guy over by subtracting. And then we're going to divide by 12.6. I'm going quickly here because algebra is a prerequisite for geometry. Okay, so I subtracted that one and then divided by 12.6, and oh my gosh, you get 2. You get 2. That's awesome. So 2 is the height, and I'm actually not going to do anything else from there because